Hello, welcome to the Unity Fastest Tutorials. Today we are doing an inventory system. So I have here objects with sprite renderer, collider and pickup script, which is just blank for now, and also inventory with its own tag and with slots which I will use to make my inventory system. So let's get started with the only script that we need, and I need also only one variable if the item is collected or not, and three methods. First is on mouse over, second is collect, and the third is use. So in the first one we have to check if the object is clicked, so if input that get key down key code that mouse 0, and now we have to check if collected is true or not. So if collected, we will use, and if not, we will collect. So let's start with the collect method, because we are done with the on mouse over. We have to check every child in the inventory, so transform child in game object that find game object with tag inventory dot transform, and we have to set the transform dot position to child dot position, set the parent to child, set collected to true, and return. So we are done with the collecting, and now we only have to do the third method. We have to implement the using. So you can do basically everything that you want, but I will change the color of the slot when I use the object. So transform that parent that get component sprite renderer that color equals color from our object, and we want to destroy our object. And I think that's all we need. So let's check it. Collecting doesn't work because I forgot about one thing. I want to check if the chills count is equal to 0. And now it should work. And yeah, it works perfectly. So that's it. Bye.